time to chat about two vowel sounds that are out to confuse you. But don't worry, we are here to clear things up and have some fun along the way. As in mat. This sound is like when you step on a cat's tail by accident. It's short and quick. Your mouth is fairly open and you say it like ah. Also remember your tongue is relaxed, laying flat in the middle of your mouth. Say it, cat, as in met. This sound is like when you're telling someone they are wrong, Your mouth is more closed and it's also a short sound. Keep practicing and soon you'll be acing these sounds like a pro. Remember, it's all about matching the right sound to the word. Check out the Eduling